Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick card using the To Market Designer Series paper, along with the pencil Pear stamp set, okay? Before we get started on our project, let's go over a little bit of buzzworthy business. We have our paper pumpkin kit painted petals. It's going to make 9 cards and comes with the gray granite stamping spot. You have until the 10th, which is today, right? to get this paper pumpkin kit. We also have the Every Celebration Dies add-on. This die set coordinates with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. It's $12. Item number 164991, and that is while supplies last. There's a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin. Also, you can visit my website at honeybeestampinhive.com and get the monthly host code and find out all of the promotion and sales and everything that's going on with Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included, and I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Now, during the month of July, we also have bonus days going on. So for every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax, you are going to earn a $5 coupon to use in August, okay? And that's every $50 on your order. So if you order $150, you're going to get 3 $5 coupons. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our project. We have a card base here of Peach Pie, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We burnished that down with our bone folder. I have some designer series paper here. We have a piece that is 4 by 5 1/4, 3.5 by 2 1/4, and this is 3.5 by 3/4, okay? Then we have some more peach pie. This one is 3 1/16. That is not right. Is that? No. This is 3 1/4 by 2.5. This one is the 3 1/16 by 1 3/16. Then we have some basic white. We have this piece here is 3 by 1 3/4. Then we have a piece for the inside that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. So we're going to go ahead and get started and put our inside together. And we're just going to do that with this piece of designer series paper. So let me get my glue here. And we're just going to glue this down. Oh, I shouldn't have put the glue on this. I know better than to do that, because my paper is always longer. I just cleaned my mat. My paper is always longer than what I need. I need to cut that off. And that's another reason why I don't want to put the glue on the paper, because then I have to get it on my scissors. So let's go ahead and glue this into our card base. Okay, I'm just going to put that in here like so. Then we are going to glue this down to our card base. Come on, glue. I'll change you out in a minute. You can make it. So we're going to put that on here like that. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and layer this on. To its mat. Right here. Like this. And we're going to take this. We're going to pop that right in the middle of this. Just like that. Okay, and now we are going to do some stamping. So I'm going to take our basic white piece, and the first thing I'm going to stamp is these cute little group of pears. And we're going to stamp this in, is this garden green? Yes, garden green. So I want to get this at the bottom and try to center it on there. just like that. Close this up. And we're going to stamp our sentiment in pecan pie. And it says, "It's your day." And we want to center that right above the pears, just like that. And that's that. And now we're going to go ahead and glue this onto its layer. It's matte. I just need a little bit more. Come on. I'm going to put this on here, and this is a tiny little border on this one. That's why there was the 16th measurements, because I just wanted to give a tiny border on this. Okay, then we're going to pop this up on dimensional, so let me get those. I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on this. I'll do one more in the middle. Remove those backings. Oh, I pulled the dimensional off. Oh my goodness, I pulled the whole dimensional off. That was going so well, wasn't it? Okay, now we're gonna make sure our card is going the right way. And we're gonna sit this right in the center. I feel like I should put some kind of twine or something behind here. No, we'll leave it like this. Is that centered? I think it's pretty good. As good as Shauna's gonna get it. Okay, so we're gonna end this card with some bling. We have the transparent adhesive-backed dots here. This is part of the suite, To Market suite, which is the designer series paper. Let's go ahead and see which one of these we want to use, these colors. Let's use, let's get some of this Blackberry Bliss here. I'm trying to figure out which colors I want to use. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll put one there. Maybe another little one up here on this green. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure about the placement of my little bling, but it is what it is. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.